What's up, guys? I am out here on the first maiden voyage of the Old Town Topwater 120 PDL. My dad and I both have the same kayak. We got them on a great deal over Black Friday last year, so this is the first time I've had mine out. He got his out last weekend, I think, but I'll give you a real quick rundown, but I've spent a while rigging, so I just want to get out there. So it's the 120 PDL. Got two rods, backpack, and with tackle and stuff. The rudder there snaps in. Got the bending branches, Angler Classic paddle. Hopefully don't have to use that much. Stock seat, Garmin 93 SV fish finder. Third rod there. Got the ram mounts, like think 48-inch arm. So I'll have some footage from that. PDL drive, and then battery is in this box here, in the storage crate. So that's gonna go there. Hopefully it doesn't shift around too much, but it's kind of warm in there. But you can really just shut it with one hand, which is pretty cool. So I'm gonna drag this into the water and get to fishing. So stay tuned, and hopefully I can get on a couple crappies. It's not bass season yet, but I'm just happy to be out on the water. So let's see what we can get. Oh yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah! This is living. Oh, no more bank fishing. Instant reverse is a myth. There's a flat. Well, guys, so far I haven't caught anything. I haven't gotten any bites, but you know, I'm having a freaking blast. This kayak is as great as I was hoping it would be, honestly. Yeah, it's heavy and it takes a little work to get on your car, but being able to pedal and just go from point A to point B without having to do anything. I'm drinking a bottle of water while I'm on the move. It's freaking sweet. I honestly like this a lot, and it's not super hard to pedal. Some people say that theirs are kind of stiff when they get them, or they're kind of grindy. Mine doesn't seem like that, which is really nice. You know, I'm doing 2.9 miles an hour right now, and I'm barely putting in any effort. I could do this like all day. Granted, the water, as you can probably see, is really quite calm, which is awesome. But you know, it's been a great experience so far, and you know, I was just standing in it, pitching into some weeds with a jig and trying to get some crappies, but I don't even know if I've even seen any on the graph. But I feel well equipped for success with this kayak, and you know, I did the research. I did watch a ton of videos, you know, AliEx and Spilled Milts, tons of other people. So right now the seat isn't bothering me. Some people say there's the bar on the bottom kind of digs into your tailbone after a while. I haven't had that issue yet, but I've only been in it for about an hour. So I'm gonna cover this whole lake today. It's not a huge lake, so I'm gonna cover this lake, try and flip into some more docks, see if I can find areas where weed lines like really just break off, and fish those breaks, because there's fairly thick weeds that come through, and like you can't get a jig, you can't get an open hook through there. You just can't. So stay tuned, and hopefully I can catch a crappie for y'all. I have a fish on. I got no idea what it is, but it's putting up a decent fight. It's a bass. Oh, sweet. A nice one. Hey, Dad. Oh. Oh man. Look at that guy. Not a bad largie. Not a bad largie at all. Looks like I flipped to the right tree there. Nice, like pound and a half, maybe pound and a half largie. Not bad. He's a little skinny for the head, but nice fish. Still got the red lips. All right, I gotta get him back. It's not the season for them. Oh, something just popped up right by me. Ate the crappie jig. Oh, Pretty shallow over here. Yeah. All right, guys. Well, heading out. I just caught that one bass. I had, I think, one more bite. My dad had a couple bites, got a small bass, lost a bigger fish at some point, but it's just been good to be out here and test out the new kayaks and be on the water and test out the electronics and make sure that they all work and that the transducer can sit high up, be protected, and it's been a good day testing these. So alright guys, battery's about to die, but like I said, it's been a great day. Got a little chilly, but you know, caught one fish, decent largemouth. They're out of season, so I can't target them, but it's a nice little bonus. Didn't even get any of the target species, although I think we just basically ran over a school or two of crappie, but couldn't get them to bite. So it's been interesting, like just trying to make sure the electronics are actually working properly. So I'm just learning how all that works, but so far it's been a great experience, and I've really enjoyed using this kayak. So thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for more kayak fishing. Hopefully we can get on some big bass, some big pike, and hopefully some lake trout this year in this kayak. I'm hoping to do a camping trip up near the North Shore with a portage pack of gear in the back. So hoping to do a lot of exciting things this year. So thank you very much for watching. Make sure to like this video if you liked it, and I'll see you guys again real soon.